Welcome to My Mechanical Cloud. Don't let the calendar determine when you service your HVAC and refrigeration systems. With My Mechanical Cloud, performance determines service. My Mechanical Cloud is a smart connected wireless HVAC solution that delivers cloud-based insights that help reduce energy consumption and lower maintenance costs by 40 to 60%. Our AI simulation replicates factory conditions to make sure your unit is performing as it should. It's like having a dedicated HVAC tech on site 24/7. If something's not right, My Mechanical Cloud will send you an alert, so you'll know immediately. And so will your MMC authorized HVAC service provider. Get the insight you need to make informed decisions about your equipment. My Mechanical Cloud is changing the way things have always been done. From real-time performance alerts to predictive analytics, we'll save you time and money. Identify potential problems before they become major repairs. Stop spending money on preventative service your equipment doesn't need. Save 40 to 60% on maintenance costs. Minimize system downtimes. Make decisions based on data, not dates. Lower energy costs by up to 40%. Get more out of your HVAC while spending less on maintenance and outdated service plans. My Mechanical Cloud is cost-effective and easy to install. Turn any system into a smart connected system with our wireless sensors. Monitor critical data sets, variables, and performance indicators. Set real-time alerts so you know what's happening, when it's happening. With our cloud-based technology and intuitive user interface, we make it easy for you to monitor your HVAC systems at multiple locations across the country. My Mechanical Cloud, making HVAC smarter, not harder.